What's up, guys? We are in Animal Guys. Animal Guys is Fall Guys, but in animal version. Gorilla Tag type stuff. We are going to try to see how many times we can get first place in every single race. If we get last place or just second place, I have to end this video.
The countdown begins.
I'm going to wait until this round ends, but let's actually start. I'm not going to get first place, obviously, because I started early, and I think the person just said a person just already passed. So I basically can't even win. But I do have a speed buff, so I can try to see if we can win. The thing about this game is there is power-ups. So I'm going to try to see how much times I can get first place in the game.
There's room.
Alright, shut up, bro.
But only one can be first.
What did I do? Get out!
What?
Little Tim, Tiny Tim.
Let's go.
And they're off
Have to
to a
get first place
wild.
this round.
Yes! Get out.
Oh, what the heck?
Brad, think, see? Let's go. I'll do it.
First place right now.
Get out.
Oh, hurry up. Yeet, I'm launching. Bam, just like that. My next video, I could probably do one without any abilities. No abilities, just racing. Oh yeah, I'm totally getting first place, bro. I'm too fast. Oh, I always hate this one.
Racing smart means racing together. Everyone in the top 5 gets the same loot.
I don't care, bro. This is a race, bro. XP. Let's go. First place. I'll see you on the next round. I'm going to just cut this part out. Yo, what's up, buddy?
No!
Bubba!
Me?
Well, you did really good, bro. That was so close.
Yeah, thanks, man. It was me, by the way.
Wings blocks the view.
Hello? Alright, I have to get first place on this one or I'm absolutely ending my video. No way! Oh, they all messed up. They all messed up. W. Let's go. Continue.
Bro, I'm literally going out of my zone.
I swear, your feet targets me now. Alright, we're so close. Come on.
Freeze those fingers. You've got the iced hand.
I gotta continue, bro.
The platform.
Oh, yeah, I got this. I totally got this.
Good luck out there.
That last round was too close to end it, honestly. The video must not end. Come on. This isn't really cheating. They could just add a barrier up there, but they didn't, so I'm just going to continue doing that. Let's go. First place. Let's see if I can prank some people, and then, yeah, I'll just skip.
I don't
What's
have
up there?
popcorn, though.
What's up, buddy? It's actually quite cheap, honestly. If you keep on racing, you eventually get it.
Hey, can you get this to me?
No, why?
See,
why?
this one's about tarting.
I'll purposely.
This one's about tarting. I had
No, please, please, please. I'm so close. Come on. I gotta catch up. I actually gotta catch up now.
This one talking about tarting, bro.
That's a frosty one. Freeze someone's hand solid.
Oh my goodness. Get out of my way, Tiger. Yeah, I can totally catch up. I can totally catch up. I can totally catch up. Yep. No, wait, what? Wait, what? Nah, I ain't catching up, bro. What is this spawn, bro? Oh my goodness. That might not count just because. Oh my goodness. Oh, he fell. I can totally do this. I can totally do this. He fell. Let's go! Come on!
Yes!
Yeah! I got. Wait, what? Wait, what? I totally ended up going. Bro, you did not beat me. You did not beat me. No way. No way. No, I have to look at my video about that one because I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I have to look at my video for that one. I was so up ahead of you. No, I will refuse. I saw you behind me and I went through. Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. I will refuse.
It's game. Go. Let me go.
Oh my goodness, it did it again. No, I got this. I got this.
Oh, dude.
Oh, it's your side. Okay. Okay, come on, come on. Is it the same exact map? I guess we're going against each other once again because I think it's the same exact map. Okay. Oh, got the box.
Straight off their route.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Yes! No! No, no, no! Yes! Oh my, too close! Too close once again. Well, I did it. I did it. It says it right there. I did it. Okay.
No, not the ocean map.
I love the ocean maps.
I love the ocean map. I don't know, dude.
What the heck? I have a shield. How did that? Bro, wait. No.
Oh my gosh, we both have shields and we're still getting
No, wait.
bounced up. That's
I
crazy.
cannot accept this. Like, I'm going through
This is
it.
this is what I'm talking about.
Okay, thank you. No, I'm gonna restart this. This round will not count because that's a.
No.
There's nothing there.
Yeah.
I'm not counting this round. What is this map? Honestly. What? No. This thing's not allowing me to go. What is going on here?
That means I have to go.
I'm getting sent to the side constantly.
The countdown begins now.
The game is bugging.
Hey.
Yo, look at me. I'm just constantly going to the side. Like, look at me. Look at me.
Oh.
No, get me closer, not farther. Why? Definitely using my phone now.
Let me in. I need I got W riz.
Frozen solid start into shatter it.
Oh yeah. No. Shut up.
It was me, but beautiful.
What is this?
Catheter.
What is this?
You gotta do this.
Yo. Why? I hate this one.
This track's full of traps, swings, and surprises. Stay sharp.
Am I in first place? I'm in first place! I didn't even know that! Oh! I was not expecting that. First place. I was not expecting that, honestly.
Come on, him. Yeah.
I was not
yeah.
expecting that. I
Wait.
thought I was in second place.
What happened to my
So-
skin?
Wait, what?
Batman shoot.
Technologia! Oh my gosh, they're so gay.
What is this? Why? What happened to those tiles? No, I'm not counting this round. Look!
Booty shorts!
Look!
Jumped in my booty shorts!
We've got a finisher. The countdown begins now.
I'm not counting this round.
You're dumb.
You're chopped! You're chopped!
Podium spot
Why are you guys calling me?
clean.
Beauty. It's in my nose. Beauty in my mouth.
Was
Bitch.
clean.
Alright, let's go be the end of this video. Last server was actually very nasty mud, so I'm just going to end the video now. There's a lot of close games, honestly. I'm going to replay that last game where it was just like I was so in front of him. In my view, I was in front of him. But okay. This is Animal Guys. If you actually really like this video, leave a like, subscribe. I'll do more
Racing
of these
smart means
videos.
racing
See
together.
you
Everyone in the top
later.
5 gets the same
Favorite
loot.
phrase. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day.